Are you interested in making money on YouTube but don't want to create your own videos? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to reveal the top niches for making money on YouTube without creating your own content. Many people believe that making money on YouTube without appearing on camera or producing videos is a complicated and lengthy process. But I'm here to tell you, it doesn't have to be. The first crucial step is selecting the right niche, and I've done the research for you to reveal the best niches to choose from. In this video, I'll show you how you can quickly start your niche YouTube channel, even if you're a beginner. You don't need to have any video production skills or even appear on camera. With these top niches, you'll be able to start making money on YouTube in no time. So, get ready to learn how you can turn your passion into profits on YouTube by choosing one of these proven niches. Let's dive in. Let's begin by focusing on the top niche, which is gaining muscle. To illustrate this point, let's take a look at the YouTube channel called Body Hub, which has over 1 million subscribers and generates 2.3 million views per month. This means that the channel could potentially earn a significant amount of money. By calculating the number of views and multiplying it by a reasonable cost per 1,000 views, we can estimate that the channel makes around $35,000 per month. Health-related content typically has higher CPMs, making it a profitable niche. However, creating popular videos doesn't require an enormous budget or a unique idea. Body Hub uses stock footage and simple voiceovers to create their content, which you can find for free on websites like Pixabay, Pexels, and Storyblocks. Additionally, you can use free editing software such as HitFilm Express, OpenShot, and Shotcut to edit the footage together. The second niche with the health category is losing weight, and the channel Bestie has 4 million subscribers and 8 million views per month. Similarly to Body Hub, Bestie produces simple faceless videos using stock footage and voiceovers. Another popular channel with the health niche is Natural Cures, which creates videos about natural remedies for various ailments. This channel has over 3 million subscribers and generates 4 million views per month. Like the previous channels, Natural Cures uses stock footage and simple voiceovers to create its content. The following category is about wealth, which includes various sub-niches. One sub-niche that people should focus on is the make money online niche. A good example of a faceless channel within this niche is Branson Tay, whose videos use stock clips and screen recordings with a voiceover. Similarly, some of my initial videos were also faceless screen recordings. Another sub-niche within wealth is investing. And Chris Invest is a channel that produces investing videos without showing the creator's face. The channel's high CPM makes it possible to earn $30 to $50 per 1,000 views. Luxury is another sub-niche that attracts a large audience. Channels like King Luxury, A-Lux, and Mr. Luxury showcase luxurious topics such as private jets, yachts, and mansions, which attracts millions of views per month. Finally, there is the business story sub-niche, which focuses on the backstory of successful businesses. Channels like 9-Figure Life generate millions of views per month by telling the stories of successful entrepreneurs. Let's focus on the happiness category, specifically the sub-niche of ancient wisdom, which includes teachings from Stoic philosophers and other wise individuals from throughout history. Many channels offer valuable insights on this topic, and you could potentially create your own content by repackaging this knowledge into your YouTube videos. One such channel is Philosophies for Life, which covers various concepts from past philosophers and Stoics in an easy-to-understand manner using whiteboard animation software. They upload a few videos per month and attract 1.4 million monthly views. Another sub-niche of happiness is confidence, and Brainy Dose is a channel that provides tips on how to boost confidence, including effective conversation starters. Their videos are made up of stock footage with titles, and they receive 4 million monthly views. Let's proceed to the next topic of discussion, which is relationships. This category encompasses various sub-niches, such as tips on finding a girlfriend or boyfriend, and ways to rekindle a past relationship, which is the main focus of channels like Modern Love Potion. They provide a plethora of helpful videos utilizing stock footage. Additionally, it's worth exploring strategies to tackle different relationship issues. The next niche is travel, which is highly popular and have many subcategories within it. Examples include travel guides like the channel Turopia, which showcases the top 10 places to visit in different locations and earn 4.7 million views per month. Another channel that focuses on travel ideas is Mojo Travels, which creates top 10 videos on various travel-related topics. An unusual but potentially lucrative travel niche is discussing the best places to live around the world, as demonstrated by the channel Scary Harry, which produces videos on financial topics and may have a higher CPM due to the combination of these niches. To gather information for these types of videos, one can refer to travel websites like US News Travel and compile the data into a valuable video with narration. Let's transition into the technology niche. This is where we'll explore two subcategories. The first is futuristic technology, which is covered by the Tech Zone channel. This channel creates videos about various futuristic technologies and inventions, and it attracts 30 million views each month. What's even more impressive is that the channel is translated into multiple languages, including Spanish and Portuguese, and each language version garners millions of views and subscribers. Another subcategory is technology tutorials, which is the focus of the Tech Gumbo channel. This channel provides screen recordings of various software tutorials, many of which are free, such as 12 free apps that come with Windows. The channel attracts 2 million views per month, solely by providing these tutorials. With so much software available for different purposes, one can easily create videos on each one and compare them against competitors, generating endless video ideas. So now that we've listed down the absolute best money-making niches you can create on YouTube, here's a few interesting ones outside these niches that can still generate income, primarily via ad revenue and garner attention over time. One popular category on YouTube is scary videos. In channels such as Top 15s, Chills, and Nuke's Top 5s produce content in this niche. These channels attract millions of views every month, with creators like Casper Sight, Nuke's Top 5, and Twin Paranormal getting hundreds of thousands of views per video. The upcoming trend is focused on animal-related videos in channels such as Animalpedia or Animal Facts. These channels create videos about pets, dogs, and cats, which receive a significant amount of views and are highly successful. In addition to being popular, animal-related content can also be quite lucrative. Successful channels can earn money from ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, among other sources. This has led to a growing number of individuals and companies seeking to create their own animal-focused channels and videos. The following area of focus is the realm of celebrities and YouTube channels, such as Nicki Swift, which create videos discussing various celebrities and their current events and personal lives. These channels have become increasingly popular due to the public's fascination with celebrities and their lifestyles. Nicki Swift and similar channels offer insight into the latest celebrity news, gossip, and scandals, as well as behind-the-scenes glimpses into their everyday lives. Their content is not only informative, but also entertaining, which is why they have such a dedicated following. As social media and technology continue to evolve, it's likely that these celebrity-centered channels will remain a popular niche for years to come. So you're still here. Amazing! Here's a bit of bonus for those who stuck with watching the video up to here. Here are a few of the highest CPM niches you'd want to check out. This includes make money online, technology, travel, finance, investing, insurance, makeup, marketing, movies, cars. Thanks for joining me in exploring the wonderful world of YouTube niches. I hope this video has given you some inspiration to find your own niche and start creating content that you're passionate about. Remember, there's a niche for everyone on YouTube, so don't be afraid to get creative and share your unique perspective with the world. Now, it's time to hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's keep the YouTube community thriving. See you in the next video.